All right, before we get into roots, we're going to continue factoring a little bit more and talk about some division shortcuts. These shortcuts you should remember from division, but they'll be very helpful in terms of roots. So it's a good idea that we review them and that you should have them in the back of your mind. Okay, when you divide any number by 10, division by 10 can be accomplished with any number ending in 0, except 0 is divisible by 10. So 120, 525, 450, 20, they're all divisible by 10. You can divide any of those numbers by 10. So 10 would be a factor if a number is divisible by 10. Division by 5 would be any number ending in 0 or 5. That would be divisible by 5. So 5 would be a factor. 5, 15, 125, 255. Any number divisible by 10 will also be divisible by 5, but not vice versa. So anything that's divisible by 10, anything you can divide 10 into, 5 you can also be divided into. But not necessarily everything divisible by 5 is divisible by 10. Division by 9. The sum of the digits will be divisible by 9. This will make a little more sense when I show you the next slide. Division by 3. The sum of the digits will be divisible by 3. Anything divisible by 9 will also be divisible by 3, but again, not in reverse. Division by 2. Any even number, that is, any number ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, will be divisible by 2. So that means 2 would be a factor if this number is divisible by 2. All right, so here are some examples. Other than those numbers that we just talked about. We just talked about division by 10, 5, 9, 3, and 2. Remember, 6 is made up of 3 and 2. Remember, 4 is made up of 2 and 2. 8 is 4 and 2, or 2 times 2 times 2, 2 cubed. 7 is prime. A prime number is only divisible by itself and 1. These are important in math, but we won't really get into it. Okay? So again, these are just some shortcuts from division that are valuable in factoring. If a number is divisible by another number, like say 10, that number is also a factor. Okay, and we'll pick this up next time with squares.